What if I told you that 1,000 euros could be the difference between staying broke and building real wealth? Most people think you need tens of thousands to start investing. That's a lie, in fact. Investing your first 1,000 euros the right way could set you up for tens of thousands in the future, even hundreds of thousands. But here's the scary part. Most beginners lose money with their first investment, not because they're unlucky, but because they follow the wrong advice. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to invest your first 1,000 euros, step by step. Even if you've never invested before, no complicated terms, no risky gambling, just a simple plan that actually works. Let's get into it. If you're watching this, you're already ahead of most people, because most people never invest at all. They keep their money in the bank, they wait, they hesitate, and slowly, inflation eats their money. So today, we're fixing that. I'll walk you through 5 simple steps to invest your first 1,000 euros the smart way. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do and what to avoid. Before you invest a single euro, we need to talk about something boring: your safety net. Here's the truth: investing without a backup plan is dangerous. Because what happens if your car breaks down, or you lose your job, or an emergency hits? You'll be forced to sell your investments at the worst time. That's how beginners lose money. So here's rule number 1. Keep at least 500 euros to 1,000 euros in cash as an emergency fund. Yes, even before investing, this money stays in your bank account. You don't touch it unless something goes wrong. It's not exciting, but it protects you, and protection comes before profit. Once you have that, we move on. Now let's talk about what not to do, because this is where most people mess up. They try to get rich fast. They buy random crypto coins. They follow hot tips from social media. They invest in things they don't understand. And guess what happens? They lose money. Here's a simple rule: if it sounds too good to be true, it is. You don't need the next big thing. You need consistency. You need patience. Your first 1,000 euros is not about getting rich overnight. It's about building a strong foundation. So ignore the hype. Ignore the noise. We're playing the long game. Now here's where things get exciting. If you're a beginner, there's one investment that makes everything simple: ETFs. An ETF is basically a basket of many companies. Instead of betting on one company, you invest in hundreds at once. That means less risk and more stability. One of the most popular examples is an ETF that tracks the global stock market. So when the world economy grows, your money grows too. Here's how to use your 1,000 euros. Invest most of it into one broad global ETF. That's it. No complicated strategies, no constant trading. Just one solid investment. And over time, it compounds. That's where the magic happens. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how do I actually invest? Good question. You need a broker. A broker is just an app or platform where you buy investments. Examples include apps like Trade Republic, Scalable Capital, or DeGiro. But here's what you should look for: low fees, easy to use, and available in your country. Once you sign up, the process is simple. You deposit your money, you search for your ETF, you click buy. That's it. It's easier than ordering food online. Don't overthink it. The hardest part is just getting started. This is the most important step, and most people ignore it. Time. Investing is not about quick wins, it's about patience. Let me show you something simple. If you invest 1,000 euros today, and it grows at an average of 7% per year, in 10 years, that's about 2,000 euros. In 20 years, about 4,000 euros. In 30 years, over 7,500 euros. And that's just from your first 1,000 euros. Now imagine adding money every month. This is how people build wealth. Not overnight, but over time, so don't panic when the market drops. Don't sell when things look scary. Stay consistent, stay invested, let time do the work. Let's quickly recap everything. First, build a small emergency fund. Second, avoid risky get-rich-quick investments. Third, invest in a simple global ETF. Fourth, use a beginner-friendly broker. And fifth, think long-term. That's it. No complicated strategies, no stress, just a simple plan that works. Now here's the thing. Most people will watch this video, feel motivated, and then do nothing. Don't be that person. Take action today. Start small, start simple, but start. And if you want to learn how to turn that first 1,000 euros into a full investment portfolio, make sure you subscribe to the channel and watch the next video on your screen right now. That's where we take this to the next level.